Hello, people! 33rd match, and I have been watching IPL, and of course, after the match finishes, I work. So this is how I look in the morning. But
You've been
anyway,
working
I'm
hard.
terrible.
You've been
Huh?
working. You've been working very hard then.
Yeah, I don't know. I have been definitely working.
Okay.
Hardly working or hard working, I have no idea. But
Yeah.
the only thing is the work typically starts after the match ends. This is how I wake up these mornings.
Sure.
But anyway, it's absolutely fabulous to know that we are in the 33rd match of IPL. In these times, IPL started, IPL has continued, and there hasn't been
No infections. I
any
mean, after the
problems so
yes.
far. So it has been, yeah, that has been wonderful. And so today it's back to the Battle of the Royals.
Yeah.
Rajasthan Royals and Royal Challengers Bangalore.
Totally.
And this I believe that all of us know this is going to be a cracker of a match.
Yeah. I think
Right?
lot at stake for both the teams. You're right about that.
Yeah, and something I keep hoping from every match that it has to be cracker of a match.
Well, you must be disappointed after yesterday's match.
Oh, yesterday's was a terrible disappointment. Absolutely. I mean, at least I had expected a few good knocks, but that didn't happen.
Sure.
Nonetheless, we'll begin now. Okay, people, the first question for today. We'll go to Mayuresh first and then Swapnil.
Okay.
The first question is, what is a safe score batting first today? Will it be between 160 and 170? Will it be between 170 and 180? Or will it be over 180? The ranges have changed, people. Mayuresh, tell me.
I'll go with 180 because match is it at Sharjah. Sorry, it's in Dubai.
Dubai.
Yeah. So I'll for a safe score, I'll still go with 180 plus because anything between 150 to 170, we have been seeing that teams are able to chase it. Maybe initially they don't look that they will be able to chase it, but yes, they are getting over the line. So I'll say if the safe score is something which is above 180, that will be the safe score on a Dubai pitch.
Okay. Swapnil.
I'd like to slightly differ here. मुझे लगता है कि while 180 plus is obviously going to be safe if any score lower is safe. I believe teams have chased 150 to 160, but 160 to 170 teams have struggled. The chasing teams, mostly they have not been able to successfully chase them down. तो मेरे हिसाब से 160 to 170, I think 170 to 180. I'll go for that. Yeah.
Okay, people. The second question. Among the top three batters in both the teams, how many today combined collectively, how many today will fall to spin? Will anybody fall to spin at all today? Or will it be just like one or two batters falling to spin or more than two? Swapnil.
I think दोनों ही बैटिंग ऑर्डर में थोड़ा स्पिन के अगेंस्ट वल्नरेबिलिटी है. Not so much Ben Stokes. Ben Stokes is obviously very good against spin, but I think you look at other people, especially when they're starting out. तो बटलर हुए या पडिक्कल एंड इवन फिंच जो कि बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर हैं स्पिन के, लेकिन इस सीजन वो स्ट्रगल किए हैं. पडिक्कल हैज स्ट्रगल्ड बिग टाइम अगेंस्ट स्पिन and Butler when he starts out. So I would expect at least 1 to 2 batters to fall to spin. I think the opposition is likely to have taken notice of this. They'll start with a spinner. They'll bowl a spinner in the first 4-5 overs for sure.
Okay. Mayuresh?
I'll also go to 1 to 2 spinners. I think so 1 or 2 wickets will fall to spinners because if RCB starts, I think RCB will start with Washington Sundar, and if RR bowls first, I think they will start with Shreyash Gopal because that's what their trend is. They try to bowl Shreyash Gopal at least for minimum 2 years, and as Swapnil said कि दोनों साइड से बैट्समैन थोड़े स्पिनर्स के अगेंस्ट स्टार्टिंग में स्ट्रगल करते हैं. So I'll say 1 to 2 batsmen.
Okay, so let's talk about the RR batters today. Some of them who have been struggling for some time. There's Samson, there's Steve Smith, and there is Robin Uthappa. So in these three people, who do you think will make at least 30 runs today? Mayuresh?
I'll go with Samson, safe bet for today's match because I think there is some, I don't know, but some rumors are going around that today, Dinesh Karthik gave up the captaincy to this. Smith is going to sit out of the match for 2 days, and maybe Butler will take over the captaincy.
Okay.
Okay, so that may happen, but we don't know. But yeah, but I'll go with Sanju Samson to score about 30.
Okay. Swapnil, same answer?
No, I think while it may happen that Steve Smith may want to shuffle a lot more, or he may even drop himself, as Mayuresh said. If that happens, तो मुझे ये लगता है कि Ben Stokes जिनसे इन्होंने opening कराई थी, वो फिर middle order में आ जाएंगे because they need some solidity in the middle order also. So I will say I saw some good form from both Sanju Samson and Robin Uthappa in the last match. Robin Uthappa did try well. तो मुझे लगता है कि I will want to give Robin Uthappa a chance here. मुझे लगता है कि वो most likely हैं 30 runs बनाने के लिए. He may bat in the top order. And that is one of the reasons why I say this. I think he's a top order player. He's done very well for Kolkata when he was playing in the top order. So he needs to play in the top order. They clearly don't have it all sorted. And Ben Stokes is somebody who can play anywhere. तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर रॉबिन उथप्पा को बैटिंग कराएंगे ओपनिंग में बटलर के साथ, तो रॉबिन उथप्पा 30 के अराउंड स्कोर करने चाहिए.
Okay, so this is Dubai. Okay, and I have a very simple question for you guys today. How many sixes are we expecting in the match? Will it be less than 9? Will it be between 9 and 12? Or will it be over 12? Mayuresh?
I'll go with over 12. Even it's a Dubai, we can see, I think each innings I'm expecting 6 plus 6 in each innings. So I'm going with 12 plus.
Okay, Swapnil?
I think I'm looking at the batting lineup of both these teams and assuming that the batting lineups click. And when I say batting lineups, obviously for RCB, I mean somebody like a Finch or somebody like an AB de Villiers. And same on Rajasthan Royals side, Butler, Stokes, Samson if he gets stuck. So all these guys are big six hitters. I agree with Mayuresh. 12 plus, I would assume 12 plus. I'll take that.
So basically you are saying my options are wrong. Very bad. Okay, people. Next question. So among RCB all-rounders, who's going to make a bigger impact today, the biggest impact? We have Chris Morris, of course, we have Shivam Dube, and we have Washington Sundar. Mayuresh?
I think I'll go with Chris Morris, looking as his bowling form. Even with bat, he looked good in the last match. Even he got very limited opportunity with the bat. He looked good, much better than Shivam Dube and Washington Sundar. And with ball, he has been a little bit successful in 2 games. So I will go with Chris Morris on the current form.
Okay, perfect. Swapnil?
So you recall in the last match, Chris Morris was missing in the all-rounders list. और आपने point out किया था कि Chris Morris को होना चाहिए.
Yeah, I was so disappointed you didn't keep him in the list.
And the thing is, Chris Morris performed so well in that match. I mean, bat से बहुत अच्छी performance उनकी थी, bowl से भी अच्छी performance थी, but I think batting, he just played a cameo, which made it tougher for Kings 11. दूसरे हाथ पे आप देखें अगर वॉशिंगटन सुंदर और शिवम दुबे वो दोनों अपने स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट सूट्स, फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर वॉशिंगटन सुंदर द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट सूट बीइंग बॉलिंग एंड शिवम दुबे के लिए बैटिंग, दोनों ही अपने स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट सूट्स में स्ट्रगल किए लास्ट मैच में. सो दिस इज अ ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन टू बी ऑनेस्ट. दिस इज नॉट एन इजी वन. While it's tempting to go for Chris Morris, I think I'll stick my neck out. मुझे लगता है कि शिवम दुबे आज मतलब एक अच्छा इम्पैक्ट उनका रहेगा मैच पे. मुझे लगता है उनको बॉलिंग थोड़ा सा कम मिल रहा है but if he gets a couple of overs, he can make an impact, especially towards the end. And I think batting mein he will come into his own. So I think it's going to be Shivam Dube today.
Okay. Swapnil is placing his bets on Shivam Dube. We'll see. If I were to place my bets, I would place those on Chris Morris.
Chris Morris, okay.
We'll see. Okay, so final question, people. Which Royal team is going to win today? Royal Challengers Bangalore or Royal Rajasthan Royals? Mayuresh.
Personally speaking, I think both. I think if I go to man-to-man comparison, I think both teams are equally matched. Maybe Bangalore gets it's a better team as compared to RR. But from a pure competition perspective, I want RR to win today's match. It will make a table look very interesting, and all the next matches coming up will be more interesting. So I'm going with RR for today's match.
I do realize that even yesterday Mayuresh said the same thing, that KKR should win to make the scoreboard look interesting.
Table very
the
interesting.
next matches look interesting. Yeah. So yeah, I am. Let's see. Let's see if we can get the next matches more interesting with RR winning today. Swapnil, what do you think?
I think in terms of sentiment, it's very similar to what Mayuresh said. I want RR to win also. In fact, यही sentiment last match में था, and they were so disappointing I was disappointed when they lost so closely. It was a close match. They lost it. They should have won that match. RR has been inconsistent, to be honest, and RCB, despite a low below par score, they fought till the end. Of course, Kings 11 का भी उसमें थोड़ा हाथ था. I think RCB looks like a better team. So even though I want RR to win for the same reason that Mayuresh said.
Where's your money?
I think my money is on RCB today. I think a better team. I think it's looking very balanced now. Very good batting, good bowling. With Chris Morris, he lends a balance to lower order hitting as well as opening bowling. So I'm placing my bet on RCB today. Yeah.
Okay, people. So 33rd match, and in some time we will have a conversation on the 34th match as well. Have a lovely IPL cricket matching day, Sports Entities. It was lovely to have you. Bye-bye. See ya.
Bye.